In this video, we're gonna talk about the signs of a creative person. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future update. Number 1. Like to work alone. So the answer is that human beings are most creative when we get time by ourselves and then time with one another. The way to maximize creative potential is to flow between being alone and being in a group, and back again. When you're alone, you're essentially building a woodpile in your brain. Then, when you join a group, you're igniting a shower of sparks that might light it up. Of course, you sometimes need to go be alone again in order to let the sparks you've started generating get close enough to the wood. You got it right. Number 2. Think outside of the box. It is commonly believed that creative thinking, the cognitive processes that bring about novel ideas and objects, is based on thinking outside of the box. Creativity is assumed to require that we break away from our knowledge and use some sort of extraordinary thought process to leap into the unknown. And there is some ways for you to think outside of the box. Read a variety of things. Start from the beginning. Find your source of inspiration. Note down your ideas. Try to create something each day. Take breaks at regular intervals. Number 3. Take risk. The development and discussion of new ideas is risky because they represent disturbances in routines, relationships, power balances, and job security. Business leaders accept risk as a cost of opportunity and innovation. They know it cannot happen if you will not accept the risk that your undertaking might fail. The level of risk may be lessened, however, if you make all possible calculations and evaluate which options are best before proceeding to the next step. The more clearly you can validate your idea or a specific direction, the more likely you are to succeed even if it's risky. Number 4. Ambitious. Creative people often have an awareness of how much effort goes into their work. They understand that the perfect solution does not always come easily, so they must put in the work toward achieving it. When creative people have a passion for something, they will visualize their goals and commit themselves to attain them. These goals can vary, whether they include completing a task or practicing an activity until they become skilled at it. Number 5. Open-minded. An open-minded person is willing to hear and try new ideas. When collaborating with others, creative people want to hear all the possibilities and explore them further. Due to their open-mindedness, they do not judge others' ideas or perspectives. Instead, they take the time to listen to others so they can better understand them. They also are open to new experiences, so they enjoy trying various ways of performing tasks. Trying new things can often bring excitement into their days. Number 6. Curious. Creative people enjoy learning new things, so their free time may include reading books or watching videos about topics they find interesting. They often find it exciting or satisfying to take on the task of understanding concepts with which they do not already have familiarity. Creative people may seek opportunities to learn new skills for personal reasons or to perform better. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.